Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 9.3 question number 1. Here carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pairs. Let us first multiply question number 1. Question number 1 is 4p into q plus r. If we multiply this one, we are getting 4pq plus 4pr, and that is answer. That is 4pq plus 4pr. Answer the first one. Second question is AB into A minus B. That means we are getting AB into A minus AB into B. That is we are getting A square B minus A B square. The answer number 2. Question number 3 is here you see is A plus B into 7 A square B square that is equal to A into 7 A square B square plus B into 7 A square B square. Therefore we are getting 7 A to the power cube B square plus 7 A to the power square B to the power cube, and that is the answer of question number 3. Let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 is A square minus 9 into 4A. That is we are getting A square into 4A minus 9 into 4A, that is equal to 4 A to the power cube minus 436 A, and that is the answer. That is 4 A cube minus 36 A. Now question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is PQ plus QR plus RP into 0 and that comes to 0. That is answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.